When you're a freelancer, workflow can be feast or famine. How you handle the slow times makes a huge difference in your business. Here are some tips to help you through those slow times. Know that it's also okay to rest and take some time off while you can. Make a personal project that combines some of your favorite things. Use that project strategically to add something to your portfolio that you're interested in, or to fill out gaps in your portfolio with work that you want to get. Learn something new. Take online courses. Ramp up your skills. Add something new to your resume. Research new potential clients and reach out to them through LinkedIn or Instagram. Get to some of those tasks you've been putting off. Update your website, clear off your hard drive. Make new products to add to your online shop. Make content. Record your process, time lapses, sketches, work in progress images. Thoughts while making your design are all great content to share on social media and your blog. Stay positive. Know that the lull will eventually end and the work you're busying yourself with will make you look more professional and attract new clients. Did you learn something new? Enjoy this content? Follow along and share it with a friend. Thanks.